This is as the hut where we dey give them in Wimpy Junction. You fry snacks, fish pie, pop-up, donut, egg roll, anything you want. We do it in Wimpy here, we produce it in Wimpy here. We do fry it, we do go events, wedding, any occasion at all. Anybody that need it, you should contact us. You can drop our numbers to contact us so that you can call at any given time. 070-4286-3118. That is the number that you can contact us. You can call us at any given time. If you need this market, we can supply you at any given time. You can take us outside the state, within the state, in any occasion at all. You can take us down there. We can fry for you, do everything. There's nothing we cannot do. Anything you want, apart from anything concerning baking, we can give you there in any occasion at all. This is as the hut. We are here in Wimpy. We give them Nigerian Limited aka.com as the hut. Yes.